Right, so there we go. We are now 2 weeks on from this lawn's first cut, and how it looked 2 weeks ago compared to what it looks like now, there's a massive difference. The sward has started to thicken up quite nicely. That density is starting to get there, and even in the problem spaces such as this side over here where we had this completely dead strip where the seed hadn't taken, you can see the grasses either side. As we cut, these fellas are going to start to creep in and fill the space. But also in the last video we did on this lawn, we put a little bit of seed in, and you can see that seed has already started to germinate, which is pretty boss. And it just shows you that you don't need to cover it with a top dressing or compost or fleece. You know, as long as you keep it well watered, that seed is going to come through. So I think as a renovation, we're 7 weeks on now from the initial seed, and I would say that the renovation has been a complete success. However, we are not done just yet. There's still more we're going to be doing with this lawn. Firstly, the height of cut. I've cut this today on the middle setting on the Bosch, and as good as what it looks at the moment, it's a little bit long for my liking. I want to take that height down ever so slightly. So what we will do with the next cut is we're going to be reducing the height of this lawn, and we're slowly going to start to do that over the next few weeks, the next month or so, and that way we're going to get a much tidier, crisper looking lawn. With this being a bent fescue lawn, it can handle pretty much any height of cut. If you want to cut it long, then cut it long. I've got a lawn at the front of my house at the moment which is cut at like 50 mil or so, pretty long for grass but really tolerant to the heat waves that we've had recently. You can even cut it as low as like 5 mil if you want to, which is what I'm attempting to do with one of my small lawns in the back garden at the moment. We're down to 10. This week we're going to be taking it down to 8, and that is the power of bent fescue, whereas this one is probably going to sit somewhere in between. We'll try and get it down to about 20 mil or so, and it'd be looking pretty good. The other thing that I want to do as well is give it a liquid feed. The reason why I want to give it a liquid feed is because that's going to enhance the colour of the lawn. It's going to turn it a much darker shade of green with the iron content that you often find in liquid feed. So Integral Max is what I use. It's Integral Max that we're going to be chucking down on this at some point this week. We'll have to time it well with the weather, but so far so good. So if you want a lawn that is as easy to manage as this, then check out the full series that I've posted about it. We've killed the old lawn using Roundup. We scarified it, we aerated it, we leveled it, we seeded it, we watered it, we fed it, and now we're at the cutting phase, and it couldn't be going any better. So if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. All the videos on this channel are completely no nonsense lawn tips. And yeah, finally, thanks for watching.